At 3:35 a.m., a man walks into the laundry room at an Irving, Texas multifamily apartment complex. He carries a screwdriver and a silver case. The suspect tilts several washing machines to determine how much change they hold. A proactive stealth monitoring security operator calls the local police. Apartment common areas like laundries are vulnerable to break-in, theft, and property liability. Stealth monitoring can also watch your gates and back alleys to help you deter and reduce crime and increase safety. The thief takes an electric drill from his case. He uses the drill to remove the protective case from the change compartment. He starts to work on a second washer when the police arrive. The burglar immediately throws himself on the ground. The Irving police arrest the suspect. Stealth monitoring has been helping clients deter thefts, safeguard expenses, and reduce property damage since 2006. Live stealth video surveillance assures both property owners and residents that someone is watching after the staff has gone home for the day. We can see, evaluate, and report crime often before or as it happens. Stealth operators monitor video cameras live, watching motion and activity using advanced video analytics and human intelligence. Contact Stealth Monitoring to help protect your shopping center, multifamily apartment, or commercial property at stealthmonitoring.com or 1-855-STEALTH.